In class today, the teacher began teaching Surah Al-Ikhlas. The teacher called on the students one by one. Ali stood up, struggling to recite his words, breaking.
Hasan whispered softly to Mariya, "Let's help Ali after class."
Mariya replied kindly, "Yes, helping with Qur'an is sadaqah."
In the break, Hasan told Ali softly, "Don't worry, we'll help you."
Mariya pointed to Ali's notebook, helping him follow the ayah.
Ali made a mistake, but Hasan smiled and said, "No problem. Repeat after me." Hasan recited slowly, "Qul huwallahu ahad." Ali repeated after him. Mariya recited softly, "Allahu samad." Ali repeated after her. Hasan recited 2 ayat together. This time Ali repeated with confidence. Mariya smiled sweetly and said, "See, you can do it." Ali's face shone with happiness. Ali tried to recite the whole surah by himself, while Hasan and Mariya listened carefully. Ali stopped near the end, but Hasan and Mariya helped him together. This time, Ali recited the surah correctly from start to finish. Ali smiled and said, "Alhamdulillah, I memorized it." The teacher returned and was filled with joy when he saw Ali reciting the surah with confidence.